Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do wax seal with spending very little money. And guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. This DIY was originally done for my wedding, and as you guys know, weddings could be very expensive. So you could be saving a lot of money with this DIY. And I think that it's a very nice touch that you can add to your invitations with the exact color that you're looking for. So here's what you need. You need glue sticks, Crayola crayons, a candle, and a small chocolate fondue set. I used this chocolate fondue set that I had to make this DIY, but really guys, you can use anything that will allow you to melt your glue and crayons together. So as you can see, I have already a preparation from my previous DIY that I just had to melt. But I will show you how to do it. So you can start to remove the crayons from their packaging. Once that step is done, you can go ahead and mix your blend of colors and glue with a wood stick. I am using a brown crayon because I just wanted to show you guys, but the color that I originally was looking for my wedding was coral. So to get it, I mixed red, white, and a little bit of yellow. And as you do it, you'll notice that the color density is good enough that you won't need that many crayons. Again, I didn't want to spend money on a ceiling stand that I was going to use only once. So I made my own with a piece of wood and 5 cents. I just glued them with hot glue gun and voila! I thought that the design of the queen on it gave it some kind of a vintage look. But I know it's hard to see, so I'll show it to you guys later. Once you like the texture and color of your mix, you need to figure out how big you want your stamps to be. Once that's done, you just go ahead and put some of the mixture on your wedding invitation. You wait a little bit for it to dry, and you slowly start to take off your stamp. As you can see, I have some ice to cool the ceiling stamp down. That way it's faster to take off. But really, it's not mandatory, guys. Here's the finished result. I love the way it looks on this wedding invitation. And I can't believe how much this saved me time and money. Time because it took me forever to find the color that was more or less close to what I was looking for with regular wax. That's it for this DIY, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Our next video will be next week on Thursday, so please don't forget to subscribe.